to all our wonderful Puddle Ducks customers.
We miss you so much.
And we can't wait to see you back in the pool soon.
Kicking.
And swim beautifully.
As Easter approaches,
we would usually be shaking our buckets poolside
and asking you to donate a couple of pounds
for the children at Bristol Children's Hospital.
Last year we raised over £500
and brought lots of Easter eggs, craft kits and toys.
The children and hospital staff loved it.
When our Puddle the Duck delivered the gifts.
This year's going to be a bit different,
but we can still raise money
for Bristol Children's Hospital.
Thanks to Just Giving.
This year we thought we'd change things a bit
and raise money
for the incredible NHS staff.
At Bristol Children's Hospital,
we are so grateful
for everything the NHS workers do,
especially in these difficult times.
Thank you so much.
If you'd like to donate,
please click the link below this video
and donate just £1
or £2
or more if you like
by the 30th of April,
and we'll let you know how much money we raise in May.
Thank you everybody,
and we'll see you all very soon.